morning, children. Start each day with a wonderful smile. So, today we are going to start with the new topic of GK. Children, do you like animals? Even I love them. So, today we are going to learn about animals in the jungle. Children, can you tell me which animal said, Lord Ganesha has my face? Tell me, come on. Yes, elephant. An elephant is the biggest animal on the earth. The color of its skin is black. It has a big body, 4 thick legs, 2 large ears, 2 small eyes, and a short tail. Children, do you know it also has a long trunk from head to the ground? An elephant is a strong and intelligent animal. Children, which animal has long neck? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Giraffes are the tallest animals on the planet. Even their legs are taller than most human beings. Giraffes love to live in dry climate where they can take the heat. Giraffes have small 2 horns and long neck. Children, can you tell me what does a giraffe like to eat? Come on, tell me. Yes, they like to eat leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Children, which is the national animal of India? Tell me, children. Yes, you're correct. Tiger is the biggest wild animal in the cat family. It is one of the strongest animal of the jungle. Tiger has long and strong body. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and 1 tail. Wow! Panda! It is in black and white color. Children, the favorite food of panda is bamboo. Children, do you know pandas eat almost 12 hours a day? Children, one interesting question for you. Can you tell me who is the king of jungle? Tell me. Yes, lions are the strongest animals in the jungle and they are known as the king of the jungle. Lions live in groups that are called pride. 10 to 40 lions may live in a pride. Lions protect the area in which they live. Children, do you know everyone is scared of the lion's roar? Children, you have to take care of animal. So children, have you enjoyed the lesson? Do studies. Take care. Have a good day. Bye. Good morning, children. Enjoy your lovely and beautiful day. Children, in previous lesson, we have learned about animals in the jungle. Right, children? So today, we are going to learn about animals on the farm, feathery friends, and fishy tails. Children, animals are loving and playful. It is fun to be with them at home. Right, children? Some animals that live in jungle and some animals are kept on a farm. Farm animals are useful to us. Children, which animal guards our house? Tell me. Yes, you're correct. Dog. Dogs have pointed teeth in their mouth and dogs can eat both meat and vegetables. There are many breeds of dogs found all over the world. They have a strong sense of smelling and hearing. Children, can you tell me which animals give us milk? Yes, buffalo, cow, goat, camels, etc. Buffalo is one of the most useful animals for humans. Buffaloes are large animals. Children, do you know buffaloes are good swimmers? Even buffalo is a very strong animal. Children, do you know how many times do cows chew their food? The cow chews their food 40 to 50 times. They sleep while they are standing. The cow dung has antibacterial qualities. Cow gives us milk. Goat is a useful and a domestic animal. Goats like to run and jump on the ground. Children, do you know goats are very innocent and intelligent? Children, can you tell me which animal love to eat carrots? Yes, very good. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It is popularly called as bunny. The shape of a rabbit is like an egg with small neck and head. A rabbit can rotate their eyes 360 degrees. Children, let's move on to feathery friends. Children, can you fly like a bird? No. Birds can fly because they have wings. And we do not have wings. Right, children? Wow! Lovebirds. Children, do you know lovebirds are symbol of love? Lovebirds are always seen in pairs. Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, you're correct. Hen. Hen is a bird and it has two wings to fly, but not too high. The hen lays egg. Children, do you know the hens keep the surrounding clean by eating dirty things? Ducks are beautiful birds and they are normally found in places with water like oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. This is because ducks love water. Many of the ducks are yellow in color, but some are not. Children, which bird has pointed beak to hole inside the tree? Tell me, children. Yes, woodpecker has strong and sharp beak. Woodpecker are mostly found in woodlands and forest. Woodpeckers help in keeping trees healthy by removing insects. Woodpeckers build nest inside the tree trunk. Children, birds are beautiful flying creatures. There are many colorful birds. So children, let's move on to fishy tales. Children, welcome to the world of fishes. Fishes found in water are of different sizes and colors. Children, as you know, we have different parts of the body just like fishes have different parts of the body. So, let's have look at the main part of a fish. Before starting, can you tell me where does a fish live? Yes, very good children. Fishes live in water. It has two eyes, fins, gills, mouth, tail, etc. They breathe with their gills. Children, do you know their body is covered with scales? It moves its fins and tails when it swims. Children, most important part of fishes is nostrils. Nostril helps them find their food and warns them of danger. There are many types of fishes in the world. Goldfish are golden yellow or orange. Goldfish that live as pets in fish tanks and man-made ponds. They are freshwater fish, so they cannot live in salty water. Catfish is the largest freshwater fish. Catfish eat small fish. Catfish lifetime is about 15 to 20 years. Children, which fish looks like a snake? Can you tell me? Yes, eel looks like a snake, but it is a fish. Eels live in both salt water and fresh water. Children, salt water is water with a high amount of salt in it. Fresh water may include water in ice sheets, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. and even underground water called groundwater. Eels have gills and very sharp teeth. Gourami fish are a group of freshwater fish. There are many different types of gouramis coming in different sizes and colors. Children, which fish name start with crown? Yes, crownfish live in water and shallow parts of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Children, there are many different types of fishes. Nowadays, many people keep fish as pets in their home. We must take good care of them. So, children, have you enjoyed the lesson? Do studies. Take care. Bye.